Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as the market starts to learn from the results of the US presidential election, we are going into a whipsaw price action. And this makes it very, very difficult to trade and to even give you some kind of assumption on where the direction may be in the short term. Now, as we challenge this trend line on the Australian dollar and the 60-day moving average, you can see the market clearly rejected that level up close to around 72.45 and now clearly erasing nearly all the gains. It is assessed from this whipsaw price action will continue until we get some kind of indication on who is through, whether it will be President Trump or would it be Joe Biden. Nevertheless, let's see how the market plays. I feel technically we are still bearish and I still view the market down to 70 cents, especially after yesterday. As widely expected, the RBA cut rates from 0.25 down to 0.1 and therefore given some indication and left the door open to see further dovishness, that is, keep the interest rates low for at least a year or two. So Governor Lowy mentioned in his statement. Well, the dollar index strengthening was only brief. We got up to a high around 117.70 and then rejected. From a technical point, we're failing at this midway point and therefore should see further risk and still the call to 116. I feel the dollar index could strengthen even further. If we get a break of 116 on the euro, that could lead us down to 115.30. The bullish divergence on dollar yen at bullish outside range day, a dragonfly, and still with the technicals holding positive, I feel the market will probably increase to the upside and look towards 105.45 and reassess from there. As we look towards the pound, the rejection from the break of this trend line and also earlier this week, the piercing of 128.70 may see a return to that level, especially as the market goes into whipsaw price action due to the US election. I still wait for the break of 128.70 and expect to see failed attempts above. Sterling yen likely to also reject the top side of that 138 close and look towards the downside and eventually challenge the level of 134 and reassess. Well, the whipsaw price action in gold still looks like it's going to fail towards the region I'm viewing around 1,920 to about 32. I feel the market is lacking momentum, especially from the MACD. The risk is still down towards 18.5 or 1,850. Wrapping up with oil, well, the rebound still continues from that key reversal and looks towards that level around $39. I anticipate that from the break of the RSI, the MACD will follow. Let's reassess from there. So do keep your stop losses and take profits according to your risk management, because this market is going to get very whippy and volatile in the next coming session here as we start to learn who will be President of the United States for the next 4 years.